Hey everyone, welcome back to English Mate.
Hello, my English friends. How are you today?
Are you ready for something fun and useful?
Because today, we're going shopping.
Yay! We'll learn shopping English, words and sentences you can use in real life.
Super easy, super fun.
Let's begin with grocery shopping, when you buy food and daily items.
Imagine you're in a big supermarket with your trolley or basket.
You look around and say, "Excuse me, where can I find bread?" Means asking for location.
Repeat after me. Excuse me, where can I find bread?
Nice! You can also say, "Where is the milk section?"
Or, can you show me the sugar aisle? Aisle means passage between shelves.
Repeat after me. Aisle.
Aisle.
Great! Now let's learn some grocery words.
Bread, milk, eggs, rice, sugar, fruits, vegetables, snacks.
Repeat after me. Bread, milk, eggs, rice, sugar, fruits, vegetables, snacks.
Excellent!
Now let's do a mini conversation.
I'll be the shop assistant. You be the shopper.
Okay.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. Where can I find the rice?
It's in aisle number 5.
Thank you. And how much is one bag of rice?
It's $5.99.
Great. I'll take one. And do you have fresh milk?
Yes, we do. It's in the fridge section.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
So easy, right?
Yes, let's practice. Repeat after me.
Where can I find the rice?
How much is it?
I'll take one.
Do you have fresh milk?
Excellent. Now, let's learn how to ask for help politely.
You can say, "Excuse me, could you please help me?"
Or, can you tell me where the eggs are?
Or, "Is this on sale?" On sale means cheaper than usual.
Repeat after me. Is this on sale?
Great!
Sometimes you may hear, "Buy one, get one free." That means if you buy one item, you get another free.
Repeat after me. Buy one, get one free.
Nice. Let's play a quick quiz.
What does on sale mean?
A, free. B, cheaper price. C, broken item.
The answer is B, cheaper price.
What does aisle mean?
A food. B, a shelf. C, a passage between shelves.
The answer is C, a passage between shelves.
Great job, learners!
Let's do a short recap of grocery English.
Where can I find...
How much is it?
Do you have fresh milk?
Is this on sale?
Perfect.
Now it's time to move to the clothes shop.
Ooh, I love shopping for clothes.
Me too. Let's go.
Imagine you walk into a clothing store.
A salesperson smiles and says, "Hello, can I help you?"
You say, "Yes, please. I'm looking for a t-shirt."
"I'm looking for" means you are searching for something.
Repeat after me. I'm looking for a t-shirt.
Good.
The salesperson asks, "What size are you?"
You can say, "I'm medium" or "I'm large."
Repeat after me. I'm medium.
Or "I'm large."
Now you want to try the shirt. You ask, "Can I try this on?" Means, can I wear it to check?
Repeat after me. "Can I try this on?"
The shopkeeper says, "Sure, the fitting room is over there."
Fitting room means changing room.
Repeat after me. Fitting room.
Perfect.
Now you try it on and say, "It fits perfectly." Means, size is good.
Or "It's too tight" means small.
Or, it's too loose. Means big.
Repeat after me. It fits perfectly.
It's too tight.
It's too loose.
Excellent.
Now you decide to buy it. You say, "I'll take it."
The shopkeeper says, "Would you like to pay by cash or card?"
You say, "By card, please."
Repeat after me. I'll take it.
By card, please.
Perfect.
Now let's learn some useful clothing words.
T-shirt, jeans, dress, jacket, shoes, trousers, socks, hat, and scarf.
Repeat after me. T-shirt, jeans, dress, jacket, shoes, trousers, socks, hat, and scarf.
Excellent.
Now let's do another mini conversation.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a blue dress.
Sure. What size do you wear?
Small, please.
Here's one. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where is the fitting room?
It's at the back.
Thank you.
How is it?
It fits perfectly. I'll take it.
Wonderful. That will be $35.
Can I pay by card?
Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
See, that was easy and polite.
Yes. Now, let's review all key sentences.
I'm looking for a blue dress.
What size are you?
Can I try this on?
It fits perfectly.
I'll take it.
Can I pay by card?
Awesome.
Quick quiz time.
What does fitting room mean?
A bathroom. B, a changing room. C, a cash counter.
The answer is B, changing room.
What does "I'll take it" mean?
A, I don't want it. B, I want to buy it. C, I'll leave it.
The answer is B, I want to buy it.
Fantastic.
You've learned so many sentences already.
Grocery shopping, clothes shopping. You can now speak with confidence.
Great job, learners.
Now we're buying electronics and visiting the mall.
Phones, laptops, TVs, everything you love.
Let's begin with electronics shopping.
Imagine you enter an electronics store full of gadgets.
Gadgets mean electronic devices like phones or headphones.
Repeat after me. Gadgets.
Great! Now you say, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me?
The shop assistant says, "Sure, what are you looking for?"
You can answer, I'm looking for a new phone.
I'm looking for means you are searching for something.
Repeat after me. I'm looking for a new phone.
Good job!
Now let's learn some vocabulary. Repeat after me.
Laptop, portable computer.
Mobile phone. Cell phone.
Headphones, used for listening to music.
Charger. Device to charge phone.
Smartwatch, digital watch with features.
Power bank. Battery for charging phones.
USB cable, wire to connect or charge.
Excellent. Now let's try a mini dialogue.
I'll be the shopkeeper, you be the customer.
Okay. Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a new phone.
Sure. Do you want Android or iPhone?
Android, please.
This one is our latest model.
How much is it?
It's $400, but it's on sale for $350.
Great! Does it come with a charger?
Yes, it does.
Perfect. I'll take it. Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
That was easy.
Let's repeat some sentences together.
I'm looking for a new phone.
How much is it?
Does it come with a charger?
Can I pay by card?
Excellent. Now let's learn how to ask for help politely.
You can say, "Excuse me, could you please help me?"
Or, can you show me this model?
Model means type or version of an item.
Example, iPhone 15 is a model of phone.
Repeat after me. Can you show me this model?
Great. Now let's test your memory. Small quiz time. What does charger mean?
A phone. B, a battery cable. C, a camera.
The answer is B, a battery cable.
What does on sale mean?
A, free. B, cheaper price. C, broken item.
The answer is B, cheaper price.
Wonderful! You're learning fast.
Now, let's go to the shopping mall.
Wow, malls are big, full of shops, food courts, and fun.
Let's learn what you can say in a mall.
Repeat after me. Where is the food court?
Where is the restroom?
Is there a cinema here?
What time does the mall close?
Repeat again. Where's the food court?
Where is the restroom?
Is there a cinema here?
What time does the mall close?
Perfect.
Let's do a short example conversation.
Excuse me, where is the food court?
It's on the second floor.
Thank you. And where is the restroom?
Near the lift, on your left side.
Thanks. You're very kind.
You're welcome. Enjoy your time.
You see? So easy and polite.
Always remember to use words like please, thank you, and excuse me.
Because polite English makes people smile.
Let's do a mall vocabulary recap.
Mall, large shopping building.
Floor, level in a building.
Elevator, machine that goes up and down.
Escalator, moving stairs.
Restroom, bathroom.
Food court, area with many restaurants.
Cinema, movie theater.
Awesome! You're doing amazing.
Let's quickly review what we learned in shopping English.
Grocery shopping. We learned how much is this? And where is the bread section?
Clothes shopping. We learned, can I try this on? And it fits perfectly.
Electronics shopping. We learned, I'm looking for a new phone.
And mall English. Where is the food court?
You have learned over 50 shopping sentences today.
Wow, that's amazing.
Let's play one final repeat fast challenge.
Ready? Repeat after us quickly.
How much is this?
Do you have this in medium size?
Can I try this on?
Where's the fitting room?
I'll take it.
It's too big for me.
I'm looking for a new phone.
Does it come with a charger?
Where is the restroom?
Where's the food court?
Woohoo!
You did it!
You are now a shopping English master.
Next time you go shopping, speak with confidence.
Remember, practice every day, and your English will shine like a diamond.
If you enjoyed learning, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Mate.
Because learning English with us is always fun and easy.
See you next time. Bye-bye, shopping stars.